Guys, welcome to another vlog. Here's the plan. Get Red Bull, because I need the energy. Go to the dollar store, get the supplies to clean my car. I need to do a deep clean, guys. It's not just me, but it is quite a lot me because my friend's area is also very messy. It's really bad. It's like really, really bad. How I said it's really bad. So embarrassing. I don't even want to show you guys. Like, what can I say, guys? Life is life in. Like, it's literally not my fault, okay? I literally feel like throwing up. What is going on? What just happened? Like, what did I do? What did I do to you? I don't know what's going on. I was literally so excited to clean my car and everything, and now I'm like literally so not for it. Like, I just don't want to do it. I don't want to do it. I don't know why. We're cleaning my car. We're cleaning my car. Well, I'm cleaning my car. You're watching me clean my car. We got this. Someone's pulling up. I'm not even going slow, bro. Relax. Relax. I'm losing my voice. What is going on? That's a popo. That was so scary. Hope you didn't even realize that was my phone. Have a good one. Okay, we got the goods. We have to go to the dollar store. Let me tell y'all what I got, because this is my new like obsession. I got a lotus, and look how pretty that is. That's beautiful. I got a red lotus with dragon fruit and desert pear. It's kind of like a sour. It's really nice. Die for it. It's so good. I got the goods. Dollar store, not sponsored, but it should be. I'm here every day. I just witnessed a bull and a cow like doing it. I don't think I'll ever be able to get that image out of like my mind. Like, I can't believe that just happened. It was disgusting. It was truly disgusting. Like, why does it look like that? Not that I wish I got it on video, but ew. Okay, don't laugh, okay? So this is the shipping. I moved to the shade because it was just way too hot. I feel like I was gonna get a heat stroke, bros. So I hope that you guys can see. Because I'm about to clean, so it's going to be very pointless to get these shoes. But yeah, Pilates, 5:15. So I'm going to try to go to that today, actually. I want to keep this. Actually, there's another one. Getting the hair. I got this little, this is for dogs actually, but this is what works for my carpet. Honestly, works really well. What the hell? It is a workout though. ¿Por qué te caes, güey? I scared the bejesus out of me. Ear.
Here comes the sun, doo-doo-doo-doo. Here comes the sun, and I say it's alright.
I really hope you can see me. It's been a hell of a ride. I'm pretty much over it.
Little darling, it's been a long, cold, lonely winter. Little darling, it seems like years since it's been here.
I really hope you guys can see. I feel like a lot of my videos have not been very in focus, but almost done, and I have to go.
Here comes the sun.
guys can tell the difference. This would be ridiculous if you cannot. Guys, I think I'm done. I feel like that was a workout. Do I even have to go to Pilates, guys? Hey guys, well, thanks for watching.